Ever felt like your calendar was a chaotic battleground? Appointments scattered, double bookings lurking, and clients playing phone tag? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, time is money, and if you're a service-based business, managing that time efficiently is the difference between thriving and just surviving. Think about it. How many hours a week do you spend manually scheduling appointments? How many potential clients slip through the cracks because you're too busy juggling calls and emails? How much stress does it add to your day, knowing you could be focusing on what you actually love doing instead of playing admin? If you're nodding your head, you've probably looked into appointment scheduling software. And if you have, you've likely stumbled upon Acuity Scheduling. It's a popular choice, known for its robust features and customizable options. But here's the burning question that's probably on your mind. How much is Acuity Scheduling going to set me back each month? That's exactly what we're going to break down in this video. We'll dive deep into Acuity's pricing structure, explore the different plans, and help you figure out which one is the perfect fit for your business. We'll also talk about hidden costs, potential add-ons, and how to maximize the value you get from your investment. Before we jump into the numbers, let's understand why a tool like Acuity is so valuable in the first place. It's not just about automating appointments. It's about streamlining your entire client management process. Imagine clients booking themselves. No more back-and-forth emails or phone calls. Your clients can see your availability and book appointments directly through your website or social media. Automated reminders. Reduce no-shows with automated email and text reminders, keeping your clients informed and accountable. Payment processing. Collect payments upfront or at the time of booking, simplifying your billing process and improving cash flow. Customization. Tailor your booking page to match your brand, creating a professional and seamless experience for your clients. Integration. Connect Acuity with other tools you use, like your calendar, CRM, and email marketing platform, to streamline your workflow. Group classes and workshops. If you offer group sessions, Acuity makes it easy to manage registrations and payments. These features aren't just nice to have. They're essential for scaling your business and providing a superior customer experience. Now, let's get down to brass tacks, the pricing. Acuity Scheduling, now part of Squarespace, offers 3 main pricing tiers: Emerging, Growing, and Powerhouse. The Emerging plan. This is the most basic plan, designed for solo entrepreneurs and small businesses just starting out. It's the most budget-friendly option, but it comes with limitations. What you get: 1 staff calendar and location, automated email reminders, client self-scheduling and payment integration with Stripe, Square, and PayPal. What it costs: this is the lowest cost entry point. Who it's for? Ideal for individuals who need a simple scheduling solution and don't need advanced features like multiple staff members or locations. Considerations. This plan has limitations on customization, and you'll need to consider if 1 calendar is sufficient for your needs. The Growing plan. This plan is a step up from the Emerging plan and offers more features and flexibility. It's suitable for growing businesses that need to manage multiple staff members and locations. What you get: everything in the Emerging plan, plus multiple staff calendars and locations, SMS text reminders, subscription and membership options, and integration with third-party apps like Zoom and Google Meet. What it costs: this mid-tier plan is priced moderately. Who it's for? Ideal for businesses with a team of staff members or multiple locations. The SMS reminders and subscription options are particularly valuable for businesses that rely on recurring appointments or memberships. Considerations. Evaluate if the added features align with your business growth and if the added cost is justifiable. The Powerhouse plan. This is the most comprehensive plan, designed for larger businesses and organizations that need advanced features and customization options. What you get: everything in the Growing plan, plus custom API access, HIPAA compliance for healthcare providers, and priority support. What it costs: this is the most expensive plan, reflecting its advanced features. Who it's for? Ideal for businesses that require advanced integrations, custom workflows, or need to comply with HIPAA regulations. Considerations. The custom API access and HIPAA compliance are specialized features that may not be necessary for all businesses. Carefully assess your needs before opting for this plan. Key factors that impact pricing. It's important to note that the exact pricing of Acuity Scheduling can vary depending on a few factors. Billing cycle. Acuity offers discounts for annual subscriptions, so if you're willing to commit for a year, you can save money compared to paying monthly. Add-ons. Acuity offers a variety of add-ons, such as custom branding and additional integrations, which can increase the overall cost. Squarespace integration. Now that Acuity is part of Squarespace, there may be bundled offers or discounts available if you subscribe to other Squarespace services. It is worthwhile to investigate current bundled offers. Beyond the monthly fee. While the monthly subscription fee is the primary cost, there are a few other things to consider. Payment processing fees. Acuity integrates with payment processors like Stripe, Square, and PayPal, which charge their own transaction fees. These fees can vary depending on the processor and the type of payment. SMS text reminders. While the growing and powerhouse plans include SMS reminders, there may be additional charges for exceeding a certain number of messages. Time investment. Implementing and learning Acuity Scheduling takes time. Consider the time it will take to set up your booking page, customize your settings, and train your staff. Remember, the right scheduling tool isn't just about saving money. It's about saving time, reducing stress, and improving the overall efficiency of your business. Take the time to evaluate your needs and choose a plan that aligns with your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.